Wow, a lot of ads on Ghost Seeker app, you guys. Temu ads. That's how they make money. That's good for them, you guys. But not good for ghost busters like Clark the Shark. Okay, I'm trying to get a ghost. He's here with me now. Okay, buddy. He's throwing his hands up as if to say, Shark, put the vitamins down. I'm ready. I'm ready, Sharky. Okay, you ready, dude? He's all, yes, Shark. Okay. 5 feet, 10 feet. 10 feet, you guys. From those vitamins on the piano. Okay, Ghost, go grab those vitamins. Show us your ghost isms. He's like, no, Shark, I gotta measure, I gotta calculate. It don't work like that. I'm about 8 feet from the vitamins this way. See them? There they are, you guys. He's like, Shark, look, I can mess with those vitamins. Okay, I'm about 8 feet from the vitamins. You want me to go 10 feet, 12 feet? Now I'm a good distance, you guys. And the ghost is like, usually, Sharky, I play piano. This is my piano zone, but now you got me confused with those vitamins, Sharky. Shark, you don't put those on my piano. Dude, I'm not asking you to play piano this time. You have a new assignment. I've given you a new task. So no, Shark, I want to merge with this chair. How about if I kick the vitamin? Nope, I don't want you kicking the vitamins. I don't want you playing piano. I want to see your hands on the vitamins. These, right there. And I can see him, but he's like, damn, Shark, that's a lot of work. You can't really see him. He's like, Shark, stop where you are, 5 feet. Well, Ghost, they're not going to believe with 5 feet. I got to be a distance. Usually, you guys, when I film a ghost grabbing things, I'm quite a distance.